Hello friends, welcome to our channel END. That is, if I take a generator x power n, I am going to find what are the elements in this generator. I'll take an example. X square in G, and I take the order of group to be 5. Since the order of group is 5, x power 5 is the identity element of the group G. As an additional information, in our previous lecture we have seen the group of order P and GCD of P comma n is equal to 1. Then the element x power n generates the whole group G. If you have seen here, P is 5 and n is equal to 2. GCD of 5 and 2 is equal to 1. So this group is generated by x square. And now we are going to find what are the elements in this x square of the group G, and its power order is 5. X square. First I will write x square the whole power 1, which is again equal to x square. Since the power of x, which is 2, it is less than 5, so I am going to leave it as such. X power 2 the whole power 2 is equal to x power 4, which is again less than 5, so I leave this x power 4 as such. X power 2 the whole power 3, which is equal to x power 6. Since this is greater than 5, I am going to split this 6. So I can write this 6 as 5 plus 1, which is equal to x power 5 into x. Since x power 5 is equal to e, I can write this x power 5 as e. So e into x is equal to x. X power 2 the whole power 4 is x power 8. This is again greater than 5. So I can write this as 5 plus 3, which is equal to x power 5 into x power 3. X power 5 is once again e, and I get x power 3. So if I write x square the whole power 5, x power 10, I can write this as x power 5 the whole square. So x power 5 is e square is once again e. If you write this for x power 6, x square the whole power 6, you will get this as x power 12 and x power 5 the whole square into x square. That is 10 plus 2, which is 12. Which is equal to x power 5 is e and e square is e, and e into x square is x square. If you see it, it is going to repeat once again from x square. If you find for this, you will get x power 4. If you find for the next term, you will get x. Like that it goes on. After a certain stage, it repeats. That is up to 5. If you are going to do after 5, it repeats from starting x square, and then x power 4, and then x power 3 and e. So we are not going to do once again for all we are not going to start once again from x square, x power 4, x cube and all. So the order of x power 2, the element generated by x power 2 is x power 2, x power 4, x cube and e. If you have seen this, it is equal to G, and this group is of order 5. We have already seen it here. G is equal to the generator of x square. That's what we have also seen it.